Hey everyone, this is a trader investor. In this video I'm going to do the broader market analysis where we are. It's quite interesting because the last couple of days it was like a very narrow range days, and then today we just shot up and have a significant move. Significant meaning, you know, from those small range days when you have price pushing up by about a dollar and change, it's quite significant. With SPYs, that's all you need, right? A dollar move gives you a lot of return on call options or put options if you're playing the downside. So as we're looking at the hourly over, you know, the last week and a half, we've been just pushing up and up. We consolidated for a little bit the last 2 days, and then we pushed up again today. So normally, as price pushes up, the first 15 minutes is where you want to wait, be patient, and see if there's a break above it for a dollar move or break below it for a dollar move. There's one exception that I sometimes use, and you can skip this if you want, and that is if we gap above the high of the previous day. Not only a gap from the close, but that gap surpasses the high of the previous day, I will enter a smaller position, not maybe full size, a smaller position at the open, as long as price does not go the other way, right? I want price to go from the open, just keep pushing up. Like here on this day, price gapped up, pushed up, but then failed, so that's why you take a smaller position. Here it was an inside day, so nothing, but today again you take a smaller position, gap up, and it continued to move up. And what's nice about this move is 428.81 to 429, well, exactly 429.74, almost a dollar move. You're not going to get quite that dollar move, but almost a dollar move. And as price touches that dollar move area, it's okay to exit. And then as price comes and retests the low of the 15-minute range and reverses, it's okay to re-enter as well for more positions. Or if you haven't exited here, it's okay to add and targeting that dollar move again. So this is an exception, right? This is not the norm. Normally I like to see the break of the 15-minute range and go for a dollar move, and I would have taken that today had it not been this price action here that I saw gap up above yesterday's high. Just take it at the open. If that hadn't been the case, I would have taken it and still I would not have made that dollar move yet. Sometimes it doesn't, but that's how I was looking at the market. If we look at the Qs, we didn't see something similar, right? We actually saw a little bit of a weakness. Price opened below yesterday's close. It pushed up, but did not manage to break the 15-minute range high of yesterday, and it actually collapsed. And as it collapsed, I don't see a dollar move to the downside. There's the low of yesterday, the 15-minute range mid of Tuesday, the low of the 15-minute range of Tuesday. Those are all on the way. And by the way, where did price go and stall? 15-minute range low of Tuesday. These levels are really strong levels. I don't know why that is, but all I know is through experience I've seen them hold. There are days they don't hold, but they've been really strong levels. And so price has reversed, but there's no trade for me in the Qs today. IWM gap up. I already participated in SPY, so I did not take this position. Now, lucky for me, because this did not continue to push up like SPYs, it actually collapsed a little bit and made that reversal. It did not go as low as yesterday's close, but it still made a reversal. So that reversal to 29.78 to 231.42, that's you know, close to $1 and change, close to $1.30 or so move. So that's pretty good for us. But again, like I said, SPYs is where I took the opportunity for today, and SPYs are continuing to push up, showing some strength in the overall market. So this is how the markets are setting up for today, and this is what I'm looking at. Nothing fancy really to talk about. Again, it's not a big range day. If we look at the daily bar and look down here for the range, today's range is 94, yesterday's range is 160, the day before 143. So even range wise is smaller, you know, top to bottom. But what will the market give us? We shall see. What they will give us, we shall see. It could continue to push up, or it could fall apart, because there are some gaps, there are some imbalances that are left open. I can even draw an imbalance, but this is so tight here that it's already covered, right? So it's very hard to draw this imbalance here. So it's been taken care of by the 8:15 Pacific time bar. All right, everyone, this is how I'm looking at the markets today. This is what I'm expecting, and I will see you in the next video, where I will analyze more of what's going on and see if there are any trading opportunities. And with those trading opportunities always come availability for us to choose between entering or not entering. The main thing is, will there be opportunities? And I will take a look at that. All right, take care for now, and I'll see you in the next video.